Chapter 9, Areas of Parallelograms and Triangles. So, what we are going to learn on this, areas of parallelograms and triangles. So, for this, first what we have to know is congruent figures. What do you mean by congruent figures? Two figures are said to be congruent if they have same shape and size. If they have same size and shape, we can say they are congruent figures. The area of two congruent figures always equal. So, if A and B are two congruent figures, then area of A is equal to area of B. Area of A will be equal to area of A. Then next one is, see here I have given a figure, this figure P, which is formed by figure Q and R, which are not overlapping. So, the area of P is equal to area of Q plus area of R. Area of P is equal to area of Q plus area of R. Then what we are going to learn is figures on the same base and between the same parallels. Figures on the same base and between the same parallels. Two figures are said to be on the same base and between the same parallels if they have a common base or common side. The first condition is common base or common side, and the vertices or the vertex opposite to the common base of each figure lie on a line which is parallel to the base. Both figures should lie on a base and all other vertices should be on opposite of the common base of each figure lie on a line which is parallel to the common base. So, I will show that. Consider this figure. Here we have two quadrilaterals. First one is quadrilateral PNRS and the second quadrilateral is quadrilateral MQRS. Both these are on the same side or SR or lying on SR, the side SR. This is the common base. That means one side is common for both these. And what about the other vertices? The vertices which are on the other side of SR, that means for the first figure the other two vertices are P and N. It's lying on a line PN. Then what about the other two vertices of other figure M and Q? All these are lying on a straight line which is parallel to the base. These are the two conditions. So, what is the first condition? It should have a common base or common side. All other vertices which are on the opposite side of this base should be on a line. That line should be parallel to the base. So, SR is the common base for these two figures and all other vertices P, M, Q, N, all these are on a straight line PN which is parallel to SR. So, what we can say is PNRS and MQRS are on the same base SR, and between the parallels SR and PN. So, here I have given another figure. First figure is PQCD and the second one is ABCD. These two are lying on the same base CD or DC. What about the other vertices? The other vertices, here it is A and B, here P and Q. These are not on the same straight line. So, what we can say is these two figures are on the same base and not between the same parallels. So, the same base is CD. So, these two figures lying on the same base or on the same base CD but not between the same parallels. So, exercise 9.1, first question, which of the following figures lie on the same base and between the same parallels? In such a case, write the common base and two parallels. So, we have to identify whether the two figures lying on the same base and between the same parallels. If it lies, we have to specify the base and two parallel lines. So this is the first question. Here we have a quadrilateral ABCD and a triangle PCD. These two clearly lie on the same base CD. Same base CD. Then we have to identify between the same parallels. For that we have to check the vertices which are on the opposite side of this. So here first case A and B, second case P. All these are on the same straight line and that line is parallel to CD. So these two figures lie on CD and between the parallel lines CD and AB. So what we can conclude is ABCD lie on the and DPC are on the same base CD and between the same parallels CD and AB. Second question. Here also we have a quadrilateral ABCD and a triangle PQR. These two are not on the same base. These two are not on the same base. But what we can say, these two are between the same parallels. Same parallels AD and BC. But we cannot say, or we can say no common base for this. We can say no common base. So not on the same base but between the same parallels. So you have to do the homework, page 155, exercise 9.1, first question, third subdivision, fifth subdivision and sixth as homework.